Now for my crispy green salad for the table. But what makes it extra special are these candied beets. And the way I candy them is a little brown sugar into a pan. And when that starts to melt, a touch of maple syrup. And just look at that golden dark brown color, exactly what I'm looking for. In go my beets. This little process is not only going to enhance the sweetness, but also intensify their brilliant color. And I'm going to hit them with just a touch of salt. And just to bring the flavors back into balance, a splash of white balsamic vinegar. Wow, that smells really good. Just look at those beautiful beets. The color is absolutely incredible. They are bright ruby red. And the way they glisten, they remind me of Christmas tree ornaments. They are gorgeous. Now, whilst they cool down, I can get on with the dressing. And this is a really quick and easy dressing. A little minced shallot. Once again, this little sweet shallot of an onion will add a depth of savory flavor as a counterpoint to the sweetness of the beet. A little orange zest for that fresh citrus flavor. Can't let a good orange go to waste without adding just a squeeze of that delicious orange juice. White balsamic vinegar, because it's light, delicate, and won't stain my salad leaves. Just a drizzle of olive oil to bring it all together. And between the acidity of the vinegar and the orange juice, it provides balance. Little taste. That is so good. It's simple to make. It has big, bright, fresh flavors, yet it's light at the same time. And that's a perfect balance for some peppery arugula. So here's what I like to do. Take a little dressing, just a touch, and a gentle toss. Next up, I'm going to take some of these beets, now they've had a chance to cool down, and just lay them on the bottom of the platter and hide a few of them under the arugula. A little arugula just all over the top. Those beets in a nice line. The beautiful thing about these pecans is they add a wonderful crunch, a little bit of texture, which I think is so important in a salad. Now, I do love fresh mozzarella. This soft, silky cheese, you just break it apart. It has a sweet, lactic flavor to it that works wonderfully well with the citrus of the orange, the balsamic vinegar, and arugula. And that punchy pop of white, and it's creamy, delicious, gorgeous. And a beet salad like this is one of our family favorites because up at our country home, the farm, we love to grow beets. 3-4 varieties, all summer, way into the fall. In fact, until we get that first big frost. And they're almost the last root vegetables out of the garden. Gorgeous. Now, these are candy cane beets. Talk about little Christmas decorations. And they also add a crispy crunch to this salad because they are raw. A touch more dressing. don't think I could be prouder of that beet salad. It looks terrific.